What is going on, everybody? We are back with my '05 Chevy Silverado, and ever since I bought this truck, the tail lights have always been kind of funky. So I had gone to the junkyard to go look for a harness that I could just chop off and then splice into this one. And at the junkyard, I noticed that that was the exact same problem with a lot of the cars that were there. So I did a little bit of research, and it turns out they sell a harness replacement for these trucks. So today I'm gonna show you guys if this fixes my tail lights, which hopefully it does, for the price of 40 bucks. If I am still part of the Amazon Associates, I'll have a link down below if you want to go check that out so you could fix your tail lights. Enough yapping, let's get started. Before we start removing tail lights, let's see. Oh, and there it is. This is where all of the plugs are connected from. Toe, whatever this is called, goes into there. The tail lights go into there, and I don't remember what else, but it all connects right there. And all we have to do is remove whichever harnesses lead up to our tail light and install our new ones. So it seems pretty easy to do. We're gonna start out with the left one, and we just have these two screws, one up here, and I'm missing the one down here. So I'll probably try to get the replacement real soon. Then we have our harness. Twist the light bulbs out. I should also probably put on my gloves. I get like way too excited when I start filming, and then I just like completely forget steps. Also, I have a tripod, and I'm back at my old house, but I'm always still so shy to just be filming. I gotta get over this someday, because this sucks. Like, I don't know if you guys could probably even tell like the tone of my voice. Like, I try to talk a lot more quiet, a little more relaxed, just because I get shy. So we have a harness. Now let's go under the truck and see where our harness leads to. We see that the harness leads right here, goes on top of the frame. It comes from down there, and that one connects to the top. Also, don't forget to wear glasses if you're under here. Something went in my eye and it's freaking irritating. But I still got another eye. It just has a tab. You squeeze the tab and then it comes off. Now we have to remove the little push clips from right here and right here. Now that the pins are all cut off, you can go ahead and pull out your harness. And bam, left side tail light harness is now all out. And now there's the right side one. As you can see, there is some wires that were spliced into this harness that are different from this one over here. So now that we got our old harnesses out, we can go ahead and start installing our new ones, and they are different lengths. So the longer one goes for the right side, the shorter one on this side. And then just route it the same way that you removed the old one. Now that we got that one in, we can go ahead and install our little push clips. Left tail light harness is installed. We can go to the right side and do the exact same thing. Right side harness is now installed with all of its push clips. Oh snap, we got an extra one. Whoops, looks like I missed something. Oh, I missed one right here. Bruh. Oh well, good enough. So now we can go ahead and swap our light bulbs from one harness to the new one. And now we can go ahead and install them into our tail light. And there we go. Also, I'm trying to hurry up because the mosquitoes are like just straight up dogging me right now, man. Drop a like for your boy so that I could get a garage, so I could work on cars a lot more comfortable. Before we screw the tail lights back on, let's go ahead and test it out. Well, that looks like it's working. Turning signal one isn't working, so I'll probably have to buy that. But as of right now, the tail lights are both matching. So let me clean up, because these mosquitoes, man, they're dogging me. They're dogging y'all too. There's one on the camera. Oh, I'm trying to get used to filming out in public. But if you're watching today's video on Friday, I didn't have a video uploaded last Friday. And for anybody that cares, sorry. I tried filming on Thursday and uploading on Friday, and it just didn't work out. I was rushing, and I didn't finish the job, and I wasn't satisfied with it. But it is now all complete. And man, she looks good. Obviously, it's like really simple, but I'm really happy with how it came out. It was really easy to install the harness, and with all the little new light bulbs, oh yeah, she's lit up now. So on the tail lights, both our top ones are working. This one used to be down here, now it's up here, how it's supposed to be. And then for the turn signals, this one was not working, so I replaced that. And I even bought the freaking side markers, which I didn't even know there was a light in there, but I went ahead and bought it, and they're still working. I didn't think they were going to be working, because whenever I installed them, they just would fall off the freaking plug. and I've been driving around the truck for like an hour, and the suspension is cooked, so the truck just bounces. I didn't think they were gonna work, so that's cool to see. And last, I even installed the license plate lights. I went from a halogen light to the LED. This one wasn't working, so I went ahead and installed it, and I just did the other side. So this should look pretty sweet at night. Oh yeah, that's hot. I even cut my finger trying to do that today at AutoZone. I tried taking off the light bulb, and then I squished it too hard, and I actually like gashed my finger. So that was pretty bad. I almost fainted at AutoZone. I even got the light on top of there so that you can get the full effect. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed how the tail lights turned out, even though it's like the simplest thing ever. But like, these little fixes are the little things that I like to do to cars. Like, the swaps are sick, but if you have a swapped car and like your tail lights are not working, you gotta reevaluate your life. So if your tail lights are messed up, go ahead and click the link down below so y'all can buy the harness. I don't know if I'm part of the Amazon Associates still, but like, I'll still have the link down for you guys, just so it could be a lot easier if you are dealing with this. And if I'm still part of the Amazon Associates, well, I guess you'll be supporting the channel. I think. I'm not really sure how that works. If y'all like today's video, drop a like, comment, subscribe, do all that great stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless. Echale Ganitas.